finally arrived at the Hollywood! Dr. Lambu, we have been out here throughout the day, and I have no idea when you placed your order.
Ha ha ha! I have been trading for many years, and I have a secret weapon that simplifies the process. It's called the EA. MT4EA. The EA stands for Expert Advisor. It's an algo trading system add-on in MetaTrader 4. It processes trades automatically according to the trading strategy and algorithm that have been set. EA has many advantages. First, users can create and customize their trading strategies and have them applied using the algo trading system. Second, algo trading helps you avoid being influenced by emotions that are usually involved in placing orders. Third, it can place orders automatically. It can also be trained to adapt to changes on the prices and market trends. Fourth, it complies to risk management and avoid placing excessive trades. Further, it runs 24 hours a day and doesn't require manual actions. Therefore, you can do other things as the EA continues to work behind the scenes. However, EAs do not offer guaranteed profit since the models don't take into consideration other risk factors. Therefore, while it may give you high returns, keep in mind the potential risks. Now let's go over what we've learned today. The Expert Advisor has many advantages, but it doesn't calculate every single risk factor in the Forex market. So you've got to balance the profit and risk. Okay, let's go straight for the quiz. In the next video, we will learn the indicators in MT4 and their usage.